Okay guys, so this is the Maiden Voyage. I'm getting ready to run some errands, so I cleaned everything off the top. And oh, by the way, I went back and I put a little support over here. Even though this shelf was jammed in there as tight as it could get, when you move around, um, this stuff tends to kind of, I don't know, go back and forth or something. So I just thought, let's be safe. So I went back and I attached this. I'm going to come back and paint that when I get home or back to my daughter's. And then what I did with the stuff is I just put it over here on the bed, and because I'm not sure about these glass jars, so, and I know the stuff on the top shelf wouldn't stay there. I've got to figure out a way to put some kind of bungee around it. So for right now, I'm just going to have to move it and put it on the bed. But that's not too bad. That's all I have to move around in order to go somewhere. So I'll let you know how my journey goes. Okay, this is halfway through. Nothing moved. So just wanted to show you that real quick. And now I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and Goodwill too. Can't pass up the time to go to Goodwill. Oops. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Getting up in here. Of course, nothing fell off the bed. Yep. And actually, to be honest, it sounds quieter in here. So I'm pulling on that and it's not moving. So I guess it's good. Yay.